So finally, there was a little bit of pullback rally happening. Market no rallied almost 165 points, but still we are not out of the woods. Okay, no, the big selling pressure is still there. No, but at some level, no, there will always be a rebound, and till what level it will go, that we don't know. But no, somewhat you can say no, the value picking happening at this level, so that's a positive thing for the market. Across the sector, there was little bit of no rally happening. Of course, some of the stock like Reliance, which has fallen a lot, and HDFC Bank and all that, they were giving some support. But yes, the if you think from the context of the market, no, of course, it's a heavily sold out market from each level parameters. If you see, this is a sold out market, but everyone is waiting what is going to happen next month onwards, when the quarter results will be out. Of course, this week we already have one holiday of on Wednesday, of course, and that's in 3 4 days more, and then we'll have a new beginning with the next month. And that is where no everyone is thinking, as and when the quarter results are known, market will be reacting on various results. Plus one other point which you always have to keep in mind is that no, when you talk about this market is quite fragile when it comes to no lot many things. First of all, the FIS selling. FIS selling, of course, if you see last few days, almost 3,000, 4,000 crore rupees of selling is happening, and that is what is bringing the market down. Because earlier, if FI is selling around 500 crore or 1,000 crore, that's okay. But now they are selling at 4,000, 3,000 crore rupees, and that is what is the fear factor. Month till date, no, they are negative 4,000 crore rupees. Of course, then when you will compare with the last month, this is a less of selling. But yes, the things are not positive from the FII point of view. And one of the reason is that of course the USD getting stronger, and if there is a 3 4% movement in USD dollar, like USD going on a higher side, then the percentage gain will be lowered by that level if they are investing in India. And they feel, of course, US is doing well, so they don't have face any issue, and they think, okay, it's better to have a secure earning through investing in US. And in their bond market also almost 4.5% it is giving, so that's very good. And this is what is pulling FI out. And for us also, DI is buying every time. But yes, still, when the pressure comes from the FI, this is where we are falling short. But no, today we'll talk one another topic also, regarding what to do with the real estate sector, guys. Real estate sector, it's been having a fantastic rally in last 1 year, almost 2.5 times up index level. Most of the stocks of real estate has given more than 50% return. So great return in last few years, and there are many last 1 year, and there are many other reasons behind that. We'll talk about whether this real estate sector will continue with this type of movement or not. That is what we are going to talk about. Now, what are the things which is working for the real estate sector? And guys, before I go, guys, if you're still not seen our stock recommendations, as you can click the below link and check it out. A big new offer is there. If you want, you can avail that. Also, do like and share this video without fail. Your comments, anything you want to know about any stock, please put it in the chat box. Now, talking about the real estate sector, now what has led to the strong performance in 2024? See, if you see the earlier performance, for 20 to after COVID 20 to 23 onwards, no, there the rally was not so great. Okay, yani rally to chodo means demand was not so great. Maybe 5 6% it used to be, but after the 2024, no, after 23, they suddenly jump in the demand. And also the main thing is the luxurious flats and all that, no, is doing very well. Even the offices are doing very well. If you see, offices actually in 2024 may achieve 80 million square feet of cell, no, leased out, which last year it was around 65 million. So no, such a big jump. Okay, yeah, so overall, because of this jump also, there is a renewed demand in uh, buildings, of course, demand in the real estate, and also the residential property, where ultra luxurious flats and all that are selling like a hot cake in the small cities. Even I am staying in Ahmedabad, I have seen New areas are getting developed, and there the big ultra luxurious flats are coming, and they are selling out in within 15 days and 1 week. That shows the what type of demand is there across real estate sector. Work from home culture started, so people prefer that, okay, I should have a big house where one room I can use it for my office only, so they go for 3 bhk 4 bhk like that. And that is what is actually keeping the things in demand. And as the economy is getting up, means of course the residual income coming with most of the a good level of salaried person and businessman, they will always prefer an ultra luxurious flat. So this is what is helping, plus the big development that RERA, of course, Real Estate Regulation Act, is been in full fledged now operating, and slowly and gradually that RERA Act is actually helping the organized player like DLF or Lodha or anyone, Godrej property, so many properties, the Macrotech and all that, they are getting benefit out of RERA. And no, this is where the weaker hands are getting out. So regulation tightening is also helping the real estate sector overall. Okay, and keep in mind, guys, all these thing is bringing the price hike. So the demand which is going up, of course it is there, but at one level it may little bit get lesser. But what I feel that no, still the interest rate is on a higher side. As and when interest rate will come on a lower side, I think this demand is going to be there only. As ऐसा नहीं होगा कि बहुत ज़्यादा होगी the way it used to be there in last 1 year, but then also decent demand will be there. And overall, no, they real estate no company should know how to tackle the demand. Okay, ऐसा तो नहीं होता है कि सभी सप्लाई एक साथ आती है in a staggered manner, like everyone is actually going to bring lot of supply. तो ये सप्लाई देख के अपने को लगता है यार ये इतनी सप्लाई आ रहा है तो कमाएंगे कैसे, बट they always try to keep it in a staggered manner. And no, if you see overall demand, they will not let it down by doing an over supply. Okay, so this is what no real estate as a lobby also doing it. And I think the things are why it's in this real estate sector is doing well, because now it is much more organized the way it used to be earlier. Now, like, no, some of the builders are taking cash only. Okay, no white money only. Earlier, the black money ka kitna chila tha. Now it is no white money much more. So all these thing is helping. Plus no the only the problem remains here, no, that what happens if the price goes up a lot. And this is what will happen, no, most of the many of the overall the areas of metro city and all that, कि अगर वहाँ डिमांड अगर बढ़ने लगी, सॉरी प्राइस बढ़ने लगी, then there is will be a problem. But all these real estate company across हमने देखा है कि they operate in a multiple cities. It's not that only one city, and they know about all this stuff very well. So yes, at one particular price hike, when it becomes an affordable non affordable for many of the customer, then they say यार इतना महंगा कौन खरीदेगा. Now that will be a worrying factor. But till now that worrying factor is not visible, because what is happening, they are launching, like if you ask DLF, no, DLF is launching one project, and if it is having a bumper opening, very next day they do a murat of the second opening of any some big scheme, and there also they are getting demand. So this type of demand, like 5,000 crore rupees of selling happening in one day and all that, and that type of demand is there. Of course, the residual income among the citizen is slowly and gradually is going up as the income level going up. And no, as I told you, no, now people are preferring luxurious flats, and again the luxurious office is also coming down now. Normally, then IT also, the work from home culture is there, but very less comparatively. So in the even the office leasing and all that is picking up. Okay, now people are going to office. Even all these act regulation is actually focusing a lot many things where the cash crunch is not happen. And normally developer do not go in a bad shape, because if the developer real estate developer starts going in a bad shape, then it's a big problem. Okay, and that is when all these big listed companies are getting benefit. If you ask me what can happen from here, well, mostly the things which you have to watch out for 2025 ke boss, how there'll be a continuous demand and how they are going to have a supply. Okay, agar too much of supply aa gaya, then there is a problem. Also you have to see the what type of price hike is happening. क्या प्राइस बहुत ही बढ़ गए एंड इफ द प्राइसेस आर गोइंग अप वेरी high at a respective cities where this company is operating, then there is a problem in that cities. Okay, like अगर आप बात करोगे कि तो डीएलएफ, तो डीएलएफ मोस्टली इट इज देयर इन गुड़गांव एंड ऑल दैट, करेक्ट. Macrotech developer Lodha and all, they are there in Mumbai. Okay, some of the like Shobha and all that, they are in south. So you have to see the area, the pockets where this company operate and where the price hike is gone up a lot, then there may be a problem at that level. But believe me, guys, as and when this sector is getting organized and organized by this RERA and all that is coming into picture, the bigger players will be in a much more better shape compared to the smaller players. And that's why it is there is a shift from an unorganized market to an organized market, plus the interest rate cut coming maybe in after February or during February only, then it will be benefiting to all these companies also. So this is what my outlook is, that no guys, if you have already invested in this sector, be remain invested. Still the you have to wait for the rate cut, and of course now still it is in a bull run, so no need to get out. I'm not giving any recommendation, guys. Of course, we have given lot many real estate sector stock as a recommendation, but yes, keep this in mind and accordingly invest in this market. No need to hurry, but if you get an opportunity, I think real estate stocks are the stocks that one should keep in their portfolio. So guys, this is what I wanted to tell you guys. Sector looks good, much better. Hope you like this video. If you like it, then do like it and share it to everyone, and I'll be seeing you next time. See you then. Bye bye.